Hello everyone, how's it going? New video from Passive Passion Online Income, where I'm going to be talking about my experience and some relevant tips which may help you or can help you to become a seven-figure affiliate marketer like me. Now, for the ones that do not have an idea about me or about my business background, I happen to be an online and an offline entrepreneur, and at the same time a business investor who invests in businesses around the world. Okay. Apart from that, I also run a successful mentorship business where I teach people, train people, coach people on set businesses, not only online but also offline. Okay, so let's come back to the topic now, which is how to become a seven-figure affiliate marketer. For me, I've always been fascinated with the concept of affiliate marketing businesses. When I was getting started with self-publishing business, I'd already made up my mind that if there is something that I need to step into after I established my self-publishing business, it would be the affiliate marketing business. Mainly because I could see the huge or the humongous potential that affiliate marketing business had. Now, it also had lots of quality skills that one could possess or master if he or she invested in the right amount or the appropriate courses and training programs. What I mean by that is setting up of websites, setting up of lead pages, setting up of ClickFunnels, setting up of that proper ecosystem where all your tools or all your equipments takes care of your traffic, it does the conversion, and it brings in the sales for you. This was one theory which not only, I would be honest, I have to be honest, because when I was learning about this aspect of the business, I was a bit intimidated. Okay, I just couldn't figure out or fathom how exactly I would excel in this particular department, because when it comes to the technical aspects of the game, I literally suck, guys. Really. And it isn't something that I enjoy. I hate designing websites. I hate creating opt-in pages. I hate working on my ClickFunnels and all that stuff. But then I thought myself, okay, fine, I'm gonna get into the business. I need to learn at least the basic or let's say I need to at least get the basic idea on how things runs. Later on, yes, I can recruit and hire the right team, who can take care of this business and run things on an autopilot. So that's what I did. I started investing in good courses. I started learning about the basics, about the domains, about the websites, about the ClickFunnels, about the opt-ins, about the lead magnets, the whole thing in a nutshell. So once I got the basic knowledge, my next goal was to learn some high-ticket programs that would bring in the mullah. Okay, so I started investing in good programs by Dan Lok. I invested in some good real estate programs of Chris Krohn. Chris Krohn is a guy, I'm sure you can find him out on YouTube. He's someone who sells not only real estate training programs, but also literally works with you as your coach if you want to get into real estate investing. I mean, if you're an American who's watching this, check this guy out, Chris Krohn. The guy is worth every penny. If you're thinking of investing in his programs or into his trainings, check him out, Chris Krohn. That's the name of the person. So I started investing in high-ticket programs and in high-ticket courses, which had to teach me, or which taught me the right methods or the right ways on creating and building my successful affiliate marketing business. Once that happened, the next thing that I did was I had to hire a good team of virtual assistants, a good back-end team that could take care of my affiliate marketing business and basically follow my instructions and execute whatever tasks had to be on my agenda. So, the important tip that I need to give you guys is, first and foremost, don't focus on low-ticket products. If you want to reach to a level where I am at, where I make an average of $70,000 to $100,000 every month from my affiliate marketing business alone as of date, okay, stop focusing on low-ticket products. Stop focusing on those $300, $400 products. Yes, while getting started, while polishing your skills when it comes to sales and marketing, okay, test them out, test the waters, because you got to be learning the ropes. You got to be learning on how to make sales. You got to be learning on how to market your product. Now, you may think that just because you come from a sales and marketing background, you might gonna excel here. No, this is a different world altogether, my friend. I think I was chatting yesterday or day before yesterday with one of my mentees, and he was a bit intimidated with the concept of chasing people, and I was like, hold on, this is business, okay? You don't have to literally go and chase people and talk to them on their face saying that, here, buy my product. It's an excellent stuff. It's got some phenomenal features which could help your business or your what do you call, marketing engines to take care of. I'm not telling you to do that. I'm telling you to create systems where you don't have to chase, where people come to you. You know, this is the kind of training I give people, and this is what I've learned. You don't have to be desperate to make sales. You create a system, you create an environment where people are going to come to you. You have to build that curiosity which would trigger that sale, which would make people buy your product. And this is what this whole game is all about, guys. So it's not about being desperate, running out in the market and going to each and every person and trying to sell your product. It's all about positioning. Okay, in the world of affiliate marketing, we use this word which is called positioning, brand positioning, product positioning to the right traffic. Position your product to the right traffic, and you should be knowing how to convert it. Just by positioning your product in the right traffic, that doesn't mean you're going to be getting sales. You got to be working at the back end. How are you going to solve or resolve the problems of that particular traffic so that they entrust their money in you and buy your product ultimately? So if you want to get into this game, guys, you need to understand the sales and marketing skill is a paramount skill which you shouldn't be neglecting. Okay, so do focus on that. Sales and marketing skills, focus on high ticket affiliate products, guys. This is where the real money is. Third, create your ecosystem. Build a super strong ecosystem where your team continuously works for you at the back end. There's a team that takes care of your email list. There's a team that takes care of your ClickFunnels. There's a team that takes care of your social media programs. There's a team that takes care of your queries. There's a team that takes care of your other sub-affiliates who are going to be going out to each and every different sites, to each and every different forums, and keep promoting your product or keep promoting your service. So you got to invest time, you got to invest your money and build that asset if you really want to excel in this. Now, if you guys do know me, or if the ones that do not know me, you would notice that I do not have too many videos on YouTube as of now. Okay, because YouTube is a tool which can be exploited well, provided you have consistency. Now, there are days or there are weeks where I do not put out videos on YouTube, but there is someone who does all this for me, not through my channel, okay? Because in my channel, I not only talk about affiliate marketing, I also talk about self-publishing. Sometimes I also talk about some psychological topics about bragging and all that stuff. But I do have video, or let's say sub-affiliates who work for me, okay, and promote my programs by having their own YouTube channels, which means if they make a sale, I get the money, I pay them their chunk of the pie, and both of us are happy. So you see what I'm talking about? Build your team, guys. Invest in the right team. Don't be that cocky, arrogant guy who thinks money is going to come easily for him just by being that one-man army. No, you're being absolutely stupid. Do not make that mistake. Invest in the right resources, invest in the right equipment, and invest in the right team. These are going to be your big assets. These are going to be your major assets, guys. So these were a few of my tips, and these were my insights on how exactly I got to a level where I am, where I make 7 figures from my affiliate marketing business alone. Today I also teach people, I train people who want to get started with affiliate marketing business. However, for anyone that does want to get started, guys, now it's easy for me to pitch in my idea and tell you that, okay guys, you should come to me, get my training, get started with affiliate marketing and all that stuff. However, let me tell you something. If you do invest in my training, it doesn't come cheap, okay? I do charge a significant amount of money for 12 months of training. I don't do this on a short-term basis because it takes time to build and polish your skills. Second thing is it does require capital, because once the training starts, I will be telling you to invest in certain products, invest in certain services, which is only going to be beneficial for your affiliate marketing business. So you got to be doing that, okay? So if you're someone who's tight on funds, who doesn't have money, then do not even think of contacting me. Other The other tip is yes, before getting started with affiliate marketing business, do get started with self-publishing business so that you get at least an iota of an idea on how the online business works. Now, I wouldn't say that just by becoming a self-publisher, it would guarantee that you would become a successful affiliate marketer. No, because the skill levels are a bit different. Okay. However, I want you to test the waters of this online entrepreneurship so-called entity. Okay, I want you guys to test the waters. I want you guys to experience each and every aspect of getting started when it comes to online businesses, and Kindle publishing business or self-publishing business is the easiest way to get started, and that is the reason why I'm suggesting you guys to get started with self-publishing business. So get started with self-publishing business, make at least 5 to 6 grand on a consistent basis every month, and then think of diverting your business goals or focus to affiliate marketing. Want to get started, need my mentorship, do get in touch with me and I can help you out. I'll take you from the scratch, take you to the level that you expect to be. But let me tell you something, guys. If you are coming to me, don't come with this negative mindset saying that, no, I'm scared to talk in front of the camera. No, I'm scared to go and chase people. No, I can't do this. I can't do this. Sorry. I don't have time to babysit you. I don't have time to mollycoddle. All right. And if you're a person who wants so-called, what do you call this, self-development training, then I'm not the right person. You need to be going and finding someone else first before you come to me. Because if you're going to come to me, you're going to be coming with one mission, and that is to make money with your affiliate marketing business. I will be giving you tasks. I'll be giving you exercises which will require you to do some challenging gigs or some challenging assignments. You have to be prepared for that, because it is only for your benefit that I'm going to be testing you. Okay, so if I tell you that, okay, go out, make a video, talk on this particular topic, you have to do it. I'm like this. I would be that tough-ass gym instructor who wants results, because one way or the other, it's my reputation that I'm putting at stake. So I don't want to be training or teaching some morons who are not yet prepared or ready to, get started with this business. It's not your money that I need. It's not your money. For me, what matters is your success, and that will only come if you follow my methods properly. Period. Okay. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys got a little bit of information perhaps by watching this. And if you do want to become that 7-figure affiliate marketer, take action. Stop dreaming. Stop writing down your goals in your diary or whatsoever. Take action. Invest in good courses. Get started out there and start making money. Okay. Give it a thumbs up if you did like this video, and put in your comments if you do have any questions. I'll also put in my email address below. You want to reach out to me, most welcome. All right, that's it from me for now. Over and out. Take care, guys. God bless you.